This week, clinic has been full of patients complaining about dull, dry, dehydrated skin post-summer. They've had lots of fun, but their skin is starting to tell the tale of that continual bombardment with UVA and UVB rays that can leave skin fatigued and depleted. And their question was, how do I get my glow back? Well, today's video is going to cover just that. Now, so much of our summer behavior can leave our skin barrier damaged. Think about it. We start off with a long haul flight. We go somewhere hot. Maybe there's extra air conditioning inside and we're in the pool or the sea swimming. All of that can just lead to the skin being overwhelmed. And factor in your diet might be different. It might be a little bit more rosé than usual. And maybe you've backed off your usual skincare regime of actives. So the combination of those things creates a perfect storm for the signs of premature aging, which can just stack up with time. So pigmentation, rough texture, you might even be seeing more fine lines because the surface is dehydrated and everything just looks worse when that happens. You might even be experiencing signs of a damaged skin barrier. Skincare that you usually can use comfortably might be stinging or burning when you apply it, and you might be noticing red patches or flaking. You might even be breaking out in unusual places. All signs that your skin barrier is unhappy. So that brings up the notion of transitional skincare. This is something you see almost every September when it comes to the beauty pages. Do we need new skincare to get us through this transition into the colder months with winter? Now, I would say 100% yes, and this is something that is borne out by more than a decade in private practice seeing people with troubled skin. This is a period when you need to carefully repair what's gone on over summer and almost get your skin fit for the cold weather that's coming. The reason is this: those signs that you're seeing on the surface, so dry, rough texture, tired looking skin, dull skin, maybe patches of pigmentation, they are signs on the surface that something is going wrong inside the skin cells. They are fatigued, they are depleted because they spent all summer defending themselves against UV rays. And we now know this is down to depletion of a critical energy molecule called NAD+. Now, you might have heard about this in the longevity space because people are fascinated with the role it plays in terms of increasing our health span and basically attempting to prevent all those kind of diseases that are due to the cell wearing out as we age. So why not put that back into our skin? This is the approach I've been taking with my patients to get them skin fit for winter, get those NAD+ levels back up again, and then the skin is ready to go back to an active space routine and defend itself against the changing environment as the weather gets cooler. The good news is many lifestyle measures work because they help replenish NAD+ levels. So that's why exercise is so good for us. It's why a good night's sleep helps us. It's why eating whole grains and greens, which are full of vitamin B3, are great for us. And wearing sunscreen helps maintain our NAD+ levels as well. But amazingly, we can now focus on skincare that will help as well. So really getting to the root cause of why cells don't function as well when we're older. I think this is really exciting because it means we're at a new frontier in skincare because we can actually target the skin's master switch. So a lot of the changes you might be seeing are because your skin can't effectively hang on to water. It's easily dehydrating. The first things first, with your cleanse, do no harm. Something like Flawless Cleanser is perfect because you just need a simple single cleanse to get everything off your skin that you need to. Use nothing rougher than fingertips to remove the cleanser and to massage it into your skin, and stick to tepid, not hot water to avoid leaching out those essential fatty acids and ceramides that help keep your barrier healthy. Now, I mentioned that boosting cellular NAD levels comes about by using sunscreen because we're protecting our skin from UV rays. So something like Gossamer is going to be amazing. It's all mineral and perfect for sensitive, irritable skin. But we can go further with Flawless Moisturizer Intense using sunflower sprout extract. We can actually improve NAD+ levels, boosting cellular energy so we can heal our skin barrier from the inside out rather than more traditional outside in methods of barrier repair like slugging, which tend to be heavy, gloopy, they'll wreck your makeup, they'll wreck your hair, they might even clog up your pores. They'll certainly wreck your pillowcases. Things that aren't really suitable for combining with our daily morning routine. So this allows you to heal your barrier twice a day as part of your regular routine. Now, the good news is that ingredient can also be combined with more traditional surface ingredients that help reduce water loss, ensuring our skin is less dehydrated in the short term, so everything just looks better when you apply it. Ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, and squalene to give that lovely skin feel that keeps your barrier repair sophisticated and not gloopy. Now, once things are on the mend, you can think about building actives back into your routine. That will, of course, start working on things like surface pigmentation and any breakouts that might have arisen over your summer vacation. So something like Nightly is perfect. It is balanced, so you've got your gentle retinoid with 2% grown active retinoid in the one hand, but it's also got anti-inflammatory ingredients like niacinamide, azelaic acid, and bakuchiol, so very low risk of any irritation at all, and you should start to see the glow very quickly. So with that approach, I find that you get a speedy resolution of your damaged skin barrier, and of course that sets you up perfectly to go into the winter months where we have less UV to really start to work on the quality of your complexion, whether that's with actives like retinoids or azelaic acid, whatever meets your skin's needs in terms of the concerns you have. So I hope that's given you an easy, actionable plan if you've suffered a damaged skin barrier this summer from too much fun. And if it has helped you, let me know in the comments down below. Bye for now.